मेरा प्रॉब्लम है मैं नाड़ा बांध सकता हूँ, खोल नहीं सकता हूँ। बहुत जोर से नंबर 1 आया था और मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ बाथरूम में, कोई मेरा नाड़ा खोलो, कोई हेल्प ही नहीं करने के लिए तैयार है। मैं इतना गंदा हूँ, मैं मेरा रूम इतना गंदा मैस कर देता हूँ कि टॉवल इधर ये उधर कि कोई मुझे घर में एक दिन में निकाल देगा घर से।
How do you feel as a father when you hear about her boyfriend and you? Are you all right about Aditya? And you know, she talks about him openly.
I mean, it's fine. I mean, I think she's 25. She's earning more money than I am right now. So she's free to do what she wants to. How dare I tell her, my 25-year-old daughter. I'm a jerky. But in Desi James Bond, he's got license to thrill.
Yeah.
कुछ भी बोल सकता है और फिर बोल सकता है I'm jerky.
Chunky, how come you looking younger and handsomer?
I am born on Devanand's birthday.
Devanand's birthday.
Evergreen.
Yes.
Evergreen.
Yeah, that's right. You shared the birthday with him.
And then all these colorful shirts I wear. This works.
But you know, really are looking nicer as you age.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm flattered. Bharti, I'm blushing. I'm all red. I swim every day, so that's why the tan. Yeah.
No, yes. At Otos.
Means मैं दिन के 4 बार नहा लेता हूँ.
At least you're a clean guy.
इतनी swimming करता हूँ.
No wonder you're a clean guy.
Clean guy.
Yeah.
Clean shit.
Well, I realize.
बाहर से clean हूँ, अंदर से थोड़ा टेढ़ा हूँ.
अभी भी?
कुत्ते की धूम टेढ़ी की टेढ़ी रहती है.
Because I noticed you were quite a Casanova when we knew you at the beginning. We knew most of your friends also.
नाम का Casanova था. I mean, like every young guy having a great time in life, every young girl having a great time in life. I think we all at that age are so carefree and lovely. But तब हम लोग का बहुत एडवांटेज रहता था because mobile phones were not there.
Yes.
कोई कैमरा नहीं था किसी के पास.
Correct. Social media
नहीं था. पैप्स नहीं थे.
Perhaps.
तो अगर हम खून भी करें तो शायद 3-4 साल बाद पकड़े जाए.
Yes. But I noticed after Bhavna, you have been grounded.
अरे मेरी शादी हो गई यार. No, Bhavna is a good lion trainer. She's a good circus master. Well, ये घर चलाती है Bhavna, so she is that.
But I did notice that the Casanova just kind of vanished once you got married.
Casanova for too long, yaar. I got married at 35. बहुत हो गया.
So you'd had enough.
Had enough, and you know, it's not more than anything else. I think it showed me life, and everyone should go through their own life, make their own mistakes, and no regrets. मैंने जो भी किया. But Bhavna was one girl. When I met her, I think within the first 1 week I knew I'm going to marry this girl. I don't know why.
Okay.
And I've never felt that for anyone. But shayad, maybe it's not the person, it's the time when you're ready to get married.
Possible.
And yeah, I think I just got luckier. वो भी मेरे से 12 साल छोटी है उम्र में.
I know.
So that's why I still look younger.
Keeping up with Bhavna.
Keeping up with Bhavna. Because even the heroes nowadays work with girls who are 12, 20 years younger than them. So I said, yaar,
so you did that in your real life
in
also.
My real life. So that I always look young. मैं Bhavna की age लगूँ.
Chunky, you know, you have, when you started in 1987, you went against your family profession because both your parents were doctors and you had no inclination of becoming even a compounder.
डॉक्टर बनता तो हिंदुस्तान की आबादी आधी हो जाती. इतने लोगों की हत्या हो जाती.
But you were just not inclined, no? You were just not inclined.
I tried. देखो, I tried very hard because mom was very clean, not clean, clear and keen that मैं डॉक्टर बन जाऊँ. Because बहुत प्रेशर था यार. I mean, all relatives, friends यही पूछते थे यार, तू भी पापा की तरह बड़ा सर्जन बनेगा या मम्मी की तरह डॉक्टर बन जाएगा. So there was pressure on me, pressure on mom also.
अच्छा.
So she was very keen, but I was like a full MBBF, metric में बार fail, PhD, passed high school with difficulty. तो वही डॉक्टर की डिग्रीज मिल रहे थे और कुछ मिल नहीं रहा था. So I did try. So that's why they say now, like when you go into your parents' profession, people think it's a cakewalk, but it's not.
No.
Very few people manage to get into their parents' profession and succeed at it.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I was a full flop doctor. And फिर 3-4 साल बाद बहुत पापड़ मिलने के बाद
yeah.
फिल्में भी मिल गई. But I trained for it. You know that.
Yeah,
better
yeah,
than
of course,
anyone
of course,
else.
yeah. But I'm really surprised that you became an actor, the first in the family to become an actor.
Yes, yeah.
And you spawned an entire film family. I mean, like I said, you're the Dharminder and you're the Prithviraj Kapoor of this, of the Pandey family.
Of the Pandey family.
Founder member.
Well, it started with I was always Dr. Pandey's son.
Yeah.
Then I became Ananya Pandey's father.
Yes.
And now I'm Bhavna Pandey's husband.
Okay.
Soon I'll be
Ahan
Pandey's
Pandey's uncle.
I'm already Alana Pandey's uncle. And then of course there's a Raisa Pandey left.
Yes,
in the
yes,
wings.
that's right. Yeah.
So yeah, and the one who bats in the end hits the most sixes. So there you go.
That's right.
So I'm lucky I've been surrounded with a lot of talent all my life. तो मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है.
But you were just talking about how it's not very easy to come into your parents' profession.
It's tough.
How? But you have set up this family where everybody's now coming into your profession.
My profession.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I guess. But you know, if I think of it, if I look at my daughter also, Ananya, अगर मैं actor नहीं होता, still अगर मेरे यहाँ Ananya पैदा होती, तो she would have still been an actor.
It's not because of the influence around her?
She was. There's so many young kids, यार, हिंदुस्तान में who want to dance in front of mirrors, want to dance at birthdays, who want to be actors.
Yeah.
So everyone dreams. Our children also dream. I mean, I see Ananya's baby videos. She always wanted to be an actor in front of the camera.
She always wanted to. I remember
And it's
asking
not
her,
that
yeah.
she was watching. Oh, she's never been, hardly been on my sets. मैं एक बार, I think I took her abroad for a shooting. And Bombay में तो कभी आई नहीं मेरे set पे. So, but she had that whole kida of being an actor. Raisa was very different. Raisa never wanted to come in front of the camera.
Okay.
So yeah, I guess it's that, you know, it's that hunger to be an actor which really makes you an actor. Then it's a lot of permutation, combination and luck, as you know.
Yeah. And hard work.
I never imagined, I mean, my first film, you were there, Bharti, जब premiere हुआ था metro में, आगी आग. And मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था वो picture चलेगी और मैं जाके actor बनूंगा, I'll get accepted. And you know, recently मैंने एक Instagram पे post डाला था कि 1992 में जब हम लोग 7 समुंदर पार shoot कर रहे थे, नैरोबी में, not in my wildest dreams I thought कि, you know, इतने सालों बाद my daughter will perform this at the Zee Cine Awards, the same song.
The same song.
So, you know, when I saw it, I had tears in my eyes and, you know, I had goosebumps. So, it's a lot of nostalgia and, but I'm also a very nervous father.
Oh, you are?
Of course I am. Like every father who's got daughters, I'm always paranoid. I'm a little nervous. Not for them as much as if they ever have boyfriends, what they'll do to them.
But they do have.
Yeah, but I feel bad for them because मैंने उनको इतना spoil किया, इतना pamper किया, इतना love दिया है कि, you know, I think they would expect that from anyone else.
Yeah, I guess. But how do you feel as a father when you hear about her boyfriend and are you all right about Aditya? And, you know, she talks about him openly.
I mean, it's fine. I mean, I think she's 25. She's earning more money than I am right now. So she's free to do what she wants to. How dare I tell her, my 25-year-old daughter, that you have a boyfriend.
Yeah,
I mean, I can understand if she was 14 years old or something, I could interfere, but no, she's.
But what kind of relationship do you have with her in the sense? Does she feel free to talk to you about?
I think
her friends.
No, I think both my girls are very close to Bhavna.
Okay.
Very, very close. Of course, Papa is there, and Papa, whenever they need something, to Papa ka phone aata hai. But otherwise, they're very, very close to their mother. And of course, Bhavna's closer to their age. So, yeah, they're very close to her.
Okay,
yeah.
so they tell her, they discuss everything with her.
I think so, yeah. I think they discuss a lot, but I'm always there if my advice is needed.
Yeah.
As to coming to film advice for my kids, you know, I mean, to Ananya especially, sometimes I feel there's a lot of conflict because I'm from the old school. मुझे commercial cinema बहुत पसंद है.
That's right.
और मेरे सबसे ज़्यादा झगड़े जो अनन्या के साथ होते हैं इसकी baby you need to do commercial cinema.
Right.
से पापा मैं करूँगी लेकिन first let me establish myself as an actor. But we never thought of all that हमारे
Yeah, it was totally different.
I think the kids now think differently और you know आजकल मैंने देखा कि less is more. हमारे यहाँ it was more is more always.
Also, you know, it's a question of attention because you were new to this industry. you liked the attention at the beginning, but here they don't even like the attention, because they are so used to it from the time they're born, that you even find them little getting irritated with the paparazzi, little this, little media
Ananya,
attention, which you didn't, because
but I don't think Ananya went through that, because Ananya, when a lot of people, when her announcement came, people didn't know Chunky Pandey had a daughter.
Oh, okay.
So baat aise thi. I mean, you knew because you knew us, but no
Yeah.
one outside had ever seen her pictures, because Instagram was just coming up that time.
Okay.
So we were not posting, and the pap culture was just starting at that time. In
Okay.
fact, it kicked off when she kind of
Okay.
got into movies. So
Okay.
she didn't see all that.
Okay.
And it's not that we kept her protected or anything,
Right.
but bas thai, I mean, they were not exposed. Of course, both film friends the. I mean, it's like Shah Rukh's family is like our family.
That's
The
right.
kids were so
Yeah.
close. Sanjay's kids. So, but there was never any exposure as such.
Right.
So yeah, but now it's different.
Yeah.
Now I see kids are so famous and the paps want to take their pictures all the time.
But don't you think there's a whole difference between how you were when you started, and you came in wanting the attention, the glamour, the covers, etc. But now this generation that comes in, they don't not interested in any of it.
No, I don't think so. ये बता नहीं रहे. Because I'll tell you something. मैं एक बार autographs, कोई मेरे photos और autographs ले रहे थे, और कोई मेरे side पे खड़ा था, और मुझे पूछ रहा था, यार तू इतने फोटो दे रहा है, autograph sign कर रहा है, तू irritate नहीं हो रहा है? ऐसे देख भाई, जिस दिन ये बंद होगा ना, तब मैं irritate हो जाऊंगा. तो जब तक लोग मुझे पहचान रहे हैं, I want to enjoy it. No, of course. Listen, I think the biggest thing for an actor, a star, is when people don't recognize them. Recognition is the most important thing. So I don't believe it. I mean, you're saying it, but I mean, obviously, sometimes when you're not in the right clothes or you're shooting and someone is intruding, anyone gets upset.
Irritated.
So I guess if an actor has been caught at that time, but most or मैंने जो भी actors देखे, I think 99.9% all of them are very cool about being photographed. If you just need to get them in the right mood.
Yeah,
You
okay.
can't get them on the wrong foot. I feel it.
Okay, so it's not like this new generation is
नहीं.
blasé about it and they don't want the
They are
attention.
too smart, yeah. I mean, and they don't need anything. They don't need the press
don't
because
need
they have Instagram. Today, if you see, all the articles are being picked up from Instagram.
That's right.
There's no journalism being reported
is no
because
journalism
I
now.
want to write
Yeah.
something, I want news out there, I put it on
Put it
Instagram
out.
और हो गया
Yeah.
बात.
So that
I
way the
think-
traditional media has died.
Has gone. You can
Yeah.
control news what you
Yes.
want to, and of course, then you have all the new film critics that have come in, the YouTubers who are having such a blast.
That's-
So it has got its plus points and minus points. Like in our times, we could do anything, get away. Now these guys can't even sneeze because
Yeah.
someone will capture it on a
True.
mobile phone and post it straight.
Post it,
So
yeah.
there is no asking you also.
That's right. Yeah.
It's gone. So yeah, it's got its plus and minus points.
That's
But
right.
I think overall it's great. It's a great tool, social media. अगर आप इसको सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल करो, it can make you a superstar. I've seen it.
Ananya did a film on this, isn't it?
Yes, खो गए हम
Khogya.
कहाँ.
I think that was one of her best films so far. And
Thank you.
her performance also, I thought it was
I was
wonderful.
surprised when I saw the film.
Yeah.
Because मैं इतना social media savvy नहीं हूँ. लेकिन जब मैंने picture देखी and I saw how youngsters are, it's become their life.
Yeah.
I mean, कोई गोवा, कोई स्पेन नहीं जा रहा है.
Yeah.
इनका दिल चाहता है बॉम्बे में Instagram पे हो रहा है.
Yes, yes.
या इंडिया में.
That's right.
So I was quite shocked because there was not an ounce of Ananya in that character.
Yes.
But still, I could identify with her. I could identify with the boys, and it was a nice, बहुत अच्छी कहानी थी.
That's right. Yeah.
I'm proud of her.
Do you watch
So
all?
then I say, I rest my case because yes, you should do films like this.
अच्छा, okay.
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, when people come and say like, यार Ananya was very good in that film. In
Yeah.
fact, I must confess कि when success came to me, I was too busy. I didn't know what was happening. I was
Right.
doing three films,
Yeah.
shooting three films a day.
That's right.
But with her, okay, I'm more laid back now, and I can't tell you, it's such a proud moment, and there's so much happiness.
Yeah.
Just to seeing her achieving a few milestones,
That's
whatever
right,
she has to.
that's right.
Again, success is a very relative word. You can't compare.
Yes.
But anything nice happening, and I want to see my kids happy and
That's right. And doing well.
safe, healthy. Important, doing well, of course, any parent does.
Yeah.
But then again, film industry, no formula, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
That's true. That's true. What is your proudest moment of Ananya's career? For you, the proud moment so far.
I think the proud moment was when she got her first film. and she decided to do it. And she was called by Puneet and Karan for an audition. I think they found her looking very young the first time. Then again she went for an audition, and she got the film, and she also got into New York और LA के colleges में admission भी मिल गई थी.
Right.
तो बहुत pressure था family पे. Will you be sending her to study because you know that's what people expect कि बच्चे पढ़ के आएंगे और फिर कुछ करेंगे. But she was very clear. She says, Dad, मैं जाके भी आऊँगी वापस तो मैं actor बनूँगी.
Actor ही बनूँगी.
मुझे अभी करने दो. तो मैंने उसका एडमिशन रखा कॉलेज में 6 महीने के लिए. आई पेड सम $500 एंड केप्ट इट. ऐसे कुछ क्या पता, you know, she doesn't work, she can go and study and then do something in her life. But so that was a proud moment for me because she got it by herself, and she took this decision by herself.
Right.
It was not Bhavna, it was not me.
Okay.
Ananya at the age of 18 took that decision कि मैं ये करूँगी.
Okay.
And that actually made me proud because somewhere I knew that even if it doesn't work, she will never blame us. She'll take everything on herself. That's what I felt. She was so determined.
Right.
So somewhere she knew that I will make it and I'll do it. So you need this confidence in children.
Yeah. Because I remember meeting Ananya at that time when she had applied for various universities. And I asked her, where are you going? And she said, I'm going nowhere. I'm going to become an actor. She just said it so clearly. There was just no ambiguity there.
So,
you know?
So she's been very clear from the beginning.
Very clear. She was just no doubt at all. I'm going to be an actor. She just told me
इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, अगर वो मेरे घर में भी पैदा नहीं होती, कहीं और पैदा होती,
तो भी actor बनती. Okay. Chunky, going back in your life, how did Suyash Pandey become Chunky?
Chunky Pandey. Okay, so when I was born, my mother called me Ajay.
Ajay?
Yeah. Okay. But my grandfather named, my Dadaji named me Suyash. Su mane good, Yash mane success.
Right.
But tough name, I mean not easy.
Yeah.
So the person who named me was Kiran, my cousin.
Your cousin?
My sister,
right.
My older sister.
Yeah.
So I don't know, she just kept calling me. She used to play, I mean, she was obviously, I was in a Godi all the time, and she'd keep calling me Chunky, Chunky, and I'd like laugh at her and smile at her. I must have hardly been 2-3 months old. And that name stuck.
This is Seema's mother?
Seema's mother, yeah, Seema's mother. So Seema's been born in front of me,
right.
And I've been born in front of Seema's mother.
Seema's mother, yeah.
So yeah, so she's my first cousin, yeah.
Right.
And she actually named me Chunky. And I didn't know this because I used to also wonder. First I thought my maid had named me because mom and dad said we didn't call you Chunky. And see, I met Kiran recently at Bhau Beach. She had come home tika karne, and she told me that I am the one who named you. So there you are.
Okay, so there, okay, and it's stuck. It's just stuck, yeah.
But not in school because मेरे स्कूल के दोस्त मुझे अभी भी सुयश करके बुलाते थे. मैं थोड़ा embarrassed था चंकी से. ऐसे चंकी क्या नाम है? स्कूल में मुझे सुयश बुलाते.
And now you're comfortable with the name?
Love चंकी. In fact जब मुझे पहली फिल्म मिली थी पहलाज निलानी के साथ, तो उन्होंने भी कहा ये चंकी क्या नाम है यार? तेरे लिए कुछ अच्छा religious mythological नाम ढूंढते हैं because it's just Lord Govinda. तो ऐसे अच्छा क्या नाम रखेंगे? इसे चंद्र आत्मा ऐसे कुछ नाम रखेंगे. Luckily उनके बच्चे थे तब. They said, no, Dad, Chunky is a good name.
Okay, thank God. Yeah. Imagine you being called Chandratma.
Chandratma. Vishwatma Chandratma.
And Pandey, how come you spell it with an AY? Because most people spell it with an EY.
Yeah, I think it was some clerical error. No, but in fact, अगर मुझे याद है पुराने फिल्म, not film directory, normal directory जो आती थी ना, the days of the landline. तो मैं हमेशा ढूंढता था उसमें. So everyone was either Pande or Pandey. And there were only 10 Pandays. All 9 were Parsis. We were the only non-Parsis. So it's actually a Parsi
way of spelling it.
And ये मेरे दादाजी ने किया, and then you know my father.
And they were from UP.
From UP, yeah. No, but Dadaji born in Bombay.
अच्छा.
तो हम तो मुंबई कर ही हैं.
अच्छा, okay.
Your Dadaji, your dad, everyone's born here. Then this is everything. So yeah, they spelled it DAY, and so it's just followed. Even though Bhavna spells it DEY, I don't know why.
Why?
I don't know. I must ask her.
Yeah, I'm
तो लगता है numerological.
There must be something to it.
I have to find out. मैंने पूछा नहीं है. On Instagram I noticed that day. I said, yeah, spelling गलत है.
Okay. Even I didn't know.
शायद she must have not got DAY, so she must have made it DEY.
Probably, yeah. But Ananya spells it with an EY.
Yeah.
You were talking about numerology. I wanted to ask you, you believe a lot in Guruji? There is a Guruji we see in your mandir.
Yes, I mean, but it's got nothing to do with numerology.
Of course.
तो Guruji, Bhavna is a big follower of Guruji, and now our whole family is a big follower of Guruji. He's brought a lot of peace, prosperity to our house, and I've been to his Bade Mandir in Delhi. He's got a Chota Mandir here in Bombay, and it's an experience. Yeah, you have to feel him, and it's a beautiful feeling. Yeah.
But that means you are religiously inclined or spiritually inclined?
I think both somewhere. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are.
Of course.
Okay. How has that helped
It's
you?
obvious.
How has that helped you?
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, you're wearing a locket.
Yeah, I don't know. It's like I think it. How does it help me? I mean, coming from a family of 2 doctors, my parents were not that religious, because normally doctors are not. They are very science oriented and
Scientific,
trying to this thing. But I think Bhavna is the one who influenced me.
Okay.
So when Bhavna came into my life, she got me into this whole thing of
Guruji.
not Guruji, just spirituality, religion, and being from Delhi, and she was always I was always a Mata believer and always wore a Mata locket, but I think I got more into it after marriage with Bhavna.
Okay.
She kind of brought it into my life. Yeah.
Because
it's been
she
nice.
does puja and she's got a little mandir and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, she's
isn't
got
it?
a nice little mandir.
Yeah.
Nice big little mandir, I would say. Very powerful mandir.
Okay, that's
Yes,
nice.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay. And do your children?
Ganpati ji was brought to a house by Ananya, because she kept this thing that I'm going to keep
Okay.
Ganpati. But yeah, it's been more Bhavna.
Okay. Chunky, in most of these traditional film families, for instance, the Kapoors, when Karishma came in, she had a very rough time because her people didn't want her to become an actor. I mean, at
Who
that
didn't
time.
want?
And Dapu didn't want her to become an actor.
Tabu didn't want her. I can't believe it.
At that time. And
Imagine
then,
if we didn't have a Lolo in our film.
Imagine, yeah. But she had a rough time because nobody wanted from the Kapoor family, the girls don't become actors.
She was the first one.
She was the first one. So they kind of had
I didn't know.
they had a problem. She had a problem, but of course, by the time it came to Bebo, there was no problem.
Correct.
And then they had this thing that their bahus don't act. But then now, little now with Alia Bhatt there, even that has changed.
Wow.
And then, Riddhima never acted. Now even Riddhima now has come into Bollywood
Bollywood
Wives.
Wives, huh? She's there on the show. Yes, yes.
So
yes.
we see the generations changing in the Kapoors.
Yes.
The way their entire mentality has changed. Did you have to go through that change, or were you always cool about what your daughters want to do?
No, 200%. I mean, बच्चों को करना चाहिए what they feel is best, because you can't force them
you
into
being
a
a Bombay
profession.
boy, I think you had no such problems.
No, I'll never have, and I think kids always. But you're talking about olden. I mean, much this thing. I think things have changed so much now, and today you can't tell kids what to do. Yeah, kids will tell you what you should do. बात अलग है. But of course, I can understand. I mean, in those days it was very different. I mean, if you come through the generations, and no, I've been super proud, and I'm hoping my younger one also does something exciting, which she will.
What does Raisa want to do?
Well, she wants to do many things. She's a very good singer. She wants to make movies, and you never know.
What's she doing in New York?
She's studying. She's studying to be a film director.
Oh.
Or an ad filmmaker, but she's in that zone.
Okay.
उसको कैमरा के पीछे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Okay, so she is not inclined to.
अब लगता है धक्का मार के कैमरा के सामने भी जाती. No, but they should do. Kids have to. It has to come from within.
Yeah.
Because if it doesn't come from within, it can never succeed.
Yeah. Chunky, you made a couple of mistakes because you were not very savvy about the film industry. You were the first person, and so you had a few setbacks in your career, etc.
Lots of mistakes. But I remember जब मैं फिल्मों में आया था, अभी लोग nepotism की बात करते हैं, तो तब मुझे याद है लोग कहते थे यार ये रेखा ने इसको recommend किया, because रेखा was a very good friend of my mother.
Correct.
रेखा ने इसको recommend किया, इसलिए इसको पहली पिक्चर मिली.
अच्छा.
रेखा met प्रहलाद जी for the first time हमारे फिल्म के प्रीमियर पे. But तो भी लोग बोलते थे. और मुझे अभी भी याद है, मैंने तबस्सुम जी के साथ इंटरव्यू किया था, और वहाँ तबस्सुम जी ने 88 में नेपोटिज्म की बात की थी. वर्ड नेपोटिज्म नहीं यूज किया था, बट खाली बोल रही थी यार तुम आए हो अभी, पर ऐसे टाइम पे आए हो जब और भी स्टार किड्स आए हैं, बिकॉज संजय दत्त had just come, सनी देओल had just arrived. तो कैसे लग रहा है, And I said बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. In fact, they are such nice people, because kids from film families are extremely well behaved.
Okay.
आप देखिए, I mean, the stars I worked with from film families, the kids, बहुत ही तमीज वाले होते हैं. They know the tempo of the industry, the way it works.
Okay.
So there is never a tantrum to them.
Okay.
I've noticed it with star kids, and
because you worked with Sunny and Sanju and all
extremely
of them.
cool, yeah. Extremely confident, cool, not insecure at all. I mean, they were brilliant to work with. Yeah.
Okay.
So of course, I started my career with Dharamji, super hit film Aagi Aag. Then again followed it up with Sunny, my next film. So I worked with the whole family.
Yes.
I worked with Bobby also in Houseful 4.
Yeah,
So I think the deals have been very lucky for me. But they were brilliant, yeah. I mean, and it's been happening. It's been there. Father, sons, mothers, daughters. It's been brilliant, and it should be this way only.
So, considering some of the mistakes you made, did you caution Ananya about any of them?
So I've always told her, कभी किसी को overestimate नहीं करना, because अगर उसने एक hit film किसी और के साथ बनाई, it's not necessary वो आपके साथ भी बनाएगा.
Okay.
And don't underestimate anyone. अगर कोई low phase से जा रहा है तो don't write him off. Give everyone an equal playing field. Take that decision yourself.
Okay.
That you should really want to do this subject or be in this film. Don't go by reputation.
Yeah.
Of course, reputation is important.
Yeah.
But don't write off a person with a hit and a flop, because ये industry में कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
One Friday can change.
That's everything changes.
You've seen it, Bharti. You've seen it. I have seen it so much. So that's the only thing. And I always told her, be well mannered. और आज भी जहाँ भी जाता हूँ, when people tell me to meet your daughter and she's so well mannered, for me that's the proudest feeling.
Right.
कि मेरे बच्चे, at least what we taught them to be mannerful to people.
Yeah.
That's that's the best a parent can do for the child.
That's right.
Is teach good manners.
Yeah.
Like my father always told me, he said, what you can afford, expect that from your producer. What you can't afford, don't expect him to give you that. Like if you fly in business class, don't expect him to give you a first class ticket. My father always told me that.
You used to practice that for a long time.
I still do.
Yeah.
I have a lifestyle, and that's the lifestyle I expect.
Right.
So I've never asked for anything more because I'm going on someone else's expense.
Yeah. Because I noticed that. I remember at one time you used to tell me, I fly business class, and even if our friends' children are flying first class, when all of you used to go for your holidays together.
Yeah.
We used to say, we are going business class, that's it. I'm not going to be, just trying to be like the others.
It's not trying. I mean, you have to, no one's trying. I mean, people, you can fly what you can afford. Yeah. I mean, people have charter planes.
Yes.
People fly first class. Now to first class ही बंद हो गया.
I know.
When I can finally afford it, it's shut here. Dirty shit. It's not. I would love to sit in first class. If Ananya has to say, Dad, I want to sit in first class, I said, you sit when you can afford a ticket.
When you can afford it.
Now she can.
Yeah. Now you need chartered flights. Now it's no longer.
No, she's very happy with. अगर first class वो है ही नहीं इंडिया से कहाँ. I think besides Emirates, no one else is flying first class.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
But I did notice this about you. For all your, I find you very grounded in a lot of ways.
Am I?
Yes.
I think I'm stupid.
Why?
I may be grounded, but I don't know. I think there's a little child in me that's not died yet. And I feel that should never die, because all actors should, it's, of course, people are sharp. I'm not that sharp, but I just like to keep my innocence and, be as young as possible. That's the only thing that'll keep me going.
But you're a very good businessman, I've noticed.
You think so?
Yes. I mean, the kind of properties you have invested in, and
I've been lucky.
You've been lucky. Okay. You used to call yourself a big kanjoos at one time. You made the maximum jokes about your own kanjoosi.
Yeah. It's good jokes to make.
Good jokes, yes.
Yeah. And I used to feel left out. यार कोई मेरे बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा. चलो कंजूस बन जाते ताकि 2-4 लोग जोक मारे उसके बारे में.
But I've noticed you're not really a kanjoos.
You think I'm penny-wise, pound foolish?
Okay.
But I'm not. वो तो मैंने ऐसी क्या होता था in those days ना, सब सिगरेट पीते थे और सबको छोड़नी थी सिगरेट. तो होता ये था कि शूटिंग पे कोई सिगरेट लाता नहीं था. अच्छा, मुझे नहीं छोड़नी थी सिगरेट तो मैं ले आता था. तो सब मेरे पैकेट पे टूट पड़ते थे. तो पता चला मेरे 4-6 पैकेट दिन में खत्म हो गए, बिकॉज सबने छोड़ दिया. एक दे दे सिगरेट. तो उसके बाद मैंने ये शुरू किया कि किसी को सिगरेट नहीं दूंगा. कंजूसी वहां से शुरू हुई.
अच्छा,
तो चलो यार, मैंने कुछ तो किया, लोगों की जानें बचाई, उनको सिगरेट नहीं देकर. तो मैं क्या करता था, मेरे मैं 2 पैकेट रखता था, एक पैकेट में एक सिगरेट डालता था और फुल पैकेट स्पॉट बॉय को बोलता था तू अपनी जेब में रख, मैं जब मांगूंगा मुझे खाली वो सिंगल सिगरेट वाली पैकेट दे ताकि और कोई पूछे नहीं, बिकॉज रोज शूटिंग में सब पी जाते थे यार, बिकॉज सबने छोड़ दी थी, इट वाज ग्रेट फैड दोस डेज, हमने सिगरेट छोड़ दी, कभी ना हो छोड़ दिया तो मेरी मत भी हो यार।
That's true.
So that is how it started.
Okay.
Otherwise, no, I'm not.
Yeah, you're not.
Not
because
at all.
I also know one thing that when you know you and all your friends, Shah Rukh and the whole lot of you, when you go out, when you've been going out for holidays.
Yeah, yeah.
I know you're one person who never went and stayed in anybody's house. You used to book yourself into a hotel and stay. Isn't that true? Whether it's Dubai or wherever.
I mean, yeah, I mean, of course, but I think Bhavna and all have all stayed with all of them. I mean, they've stayed
Shah Rukh's house.
Shah Rukh's house in London and in Dubai. But I've also stayed there a couple of times. But yeah, of course, I'd like to stay in hotel. I like to stay in hotels because it's not because I would love to stay in someone's house, but मैं इतना गंदा हूँ, मैं रूम इतना गंदा मैस कर देता हूँ कि टावल इधर ये उधर कि कोई मुझे घर में एक दिन में निकाल देगा घर से, including my own house. So I have to be in a place where they do housekeeping twice a day. I'm not ganda as to, I mean, I love messing up a place. So yeah, I try not to stay with people, but I've stayed in their houses. And he's got a lovely house in London, got a lovely house in Dubai, and I'm so proud of him because I've literally seen him the day he came to Bombay, and
but
he's
that
done
time
so well.
When Shah Rukh first came to Bombay, he was more Chicky's friend, na?
He's
Your brother's friend.
He's always been Chicky's friend.
But gradually after Bhavna came in, how come all of you have become friends?
No, he's always been Chicky and still he's Chicky's friend. It's just the wives became friends and then the kids became friends and that's how we... So
you became a gang.
I mean, like you hang around at times and it's basically his Chicky's friend and still is Chicky's friend.
Okay, because Shah Rukh and you have not even done too many films together, maybe just one Dawn or something.
I had done the opening of Dawn with him. Yeah, we've not worked, we've not done films together.
Yeah.
But I'm proud of what he's done, what what he's made of everything around him. He's just had the Midas touch and it's been brilliant. So, you know, these are kind of things I keep telling Ananya. I tell her stories of this, not that today everything's available on the internet, but you know what it is to be to create something, and you know the kind of what do you say, the kind of drive you need that and a bit of luck.
And always, but in Shah Rukh's case, I mean, we've all seen where, you know, from the time he came to what he's built. It's an entire empire he's built.
People won't be able to do it in 100 lifetimes.
Exactly,
what he's done.
exactly.
So it's a great job. Well done. Yeah.
That's right.
Well done.
But I'm surprised that Shah Rukh and the Pandeys are so close. I mean, I never thought when he first came that this would be the group.
Yeah, but that's how I'm saying it all became because of the families.
Yeah,
the
girls
kids,
actually, the women got together,
the girls, and and in fact, he was telling me the other day that I think in some interview or something he mentioned that when he used to come to my house, I had all these cassettes of mine lying of the films I had done.
Okay.
And he just wanted to do so many films, or maybe a little more than those. And
then
he ended up doing much more. So so he's come to a house when he just came to Mumbai, and as I said, from where to where, so it's incredible.
At one time, your house was very famous for those New Year's Eve parties.
Yeah.
You know, your parents, all of you used to host them, and the whole of Bandra used to be here. Everybody used to come, and they would be even get crashers.
It was traditionally started. Father ने शुरू किया था, then I took over.
Okay.
And मेरा तो फिर लंगर लगता था. We used to have 400-500 people.
That's right. But gradually you stopped that, isn't it?
Marriage, yeah. And then Ananya once had a damn good New Year party, I remember.
Achha, okay.
And I said, darling, do it every year now. But then you know how kids are, they want to go away and stuff. Because once you do a New Year party, you have to traditionally do it every year.
Yeah, that's right. When you families have got together and you all were holidaying together, especially during Christmas, New Year, etc., has that stopped now that Ananya's become busy and everybody's becoming busy?
No, I think kids grow up and then it's like your kids are with you till that, till 15, 16. After that, the kids want to do their own things. In fact, now we went to Dubai with Raisa because Raisa's holidays के लिए आई थी India.
Okay.
So we took her to Dubai for the New Year.
Okay.
But I know next year Raisa will also not come. She'll want to be somewhere
Yeah,
else.
that's
So you
right.
have to bribe them and want them to be with you. So it's
Life changes,
Life
isn't it?
changes, yeah. Once the
Yeah,
kids
all
have
the
gone,
time.
then you have to do your own stuff here.
Chunky, when you see a film like Gehraiyan, which had so much intimacy, are you all comfortable about it?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. Why not?
You
I've been
don't
seeing
have
it in Hollywood,
Okay.
and it's there. I mean, it's.
You yourself have never done intimate scenes.
I've not, because मेरे time में थे नहीं intimate scene. See what all I missed.
What you missed?
No, but there's no harm. I mean, this is how the world is going to be,
Yeah.
and you have to accept it.
Yeah.
I mean, there are ऐसे film में भी बनती है. I mean, super hit films where it's not shown also.
Yeah.
Nothing is shown. And
Right.
there are some places जब script demand करती है, it always looks nice.
Yeah.
But when it's forced and put in, तब मजा नहीं आता.
That's right.
So it's
Yeah.
that's the story of life. But if it's needed, why not?
You're
And
all
actors-
right about it.
Yeah,
as
actors
a
supposed to
father
do-
watching it, you're fine.
Yeah, because as actors, you're supposed to do the unbelievable.
Okay. That's
And-
true. Yeah.
So I think it's fine. Yeah, I've never.
Coming to your own career, you had a stint where you were a superstar in Bangladesh, no? How did that happen?
Oh God, how did that happen? तो ये आंखें के बाद 93 के बाद, can you believe it? इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी हिट थी तब आंखें.
Okay.
And I suddenly found myself without work. आंखें के बाद मैंने सिर्फ एक ही फिल्म की, तीसरा कौन, मिथुन चक्रवर्ती के साथ, जो NNCP ने बनाया था. I don't know, somehow मेरा काम बंद हो गया. No reason. Of course, मैं मना भी कर रहा था because I was getting a lot of offers for not side hero, not second hero, but hero का भाई, hero का दोस्त. तो it didn't make sense. And such a big hit, it just, I think, I don't know. There is no equation कि ये हुआ क्यों.
Right.
And I said, यार, I don't want to do these roles. मैं कुछ और कर लेता हूँ. So I started going around trying to buy properties and other things, and then suddenly this friend of mine took me for a show to Bangladesh.
Okay.
और वहाँ जब मैं गया, I saw the film industry and they told me, why don't you do a film also? I said, okay, चलो करते हैं. That film turned out to be a super duper hit. Yeah.
Okay.
Shami Ke Noa Shami. Then the next one turned out to be an even bigger hit, Meera Manoj. Then I said, chalo karte hain.
Wow. Okay.
Let's enjoy it. And it took me, like, I was there from 95 to 97, just 2 years.
2 years.
But once I got married, I took Bhavna there for honeymoon.
I know, that's right.
And she told me, she says, see, you're great. The country loves you, you love the country. मुझे वहाँ का खाना इतना outstanding है, मैं क्या बताऊँ आप. और लोग इतना प्यार करते हैं वहाँ, it's unbelievable. Especially if you're from India, you know. But she says, see, you're known because you're Chunky Pandey from Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Please come back.
Oh.
So then I said, okay, fine. And I came, and I was very lucky कि हरी बवेचा ने मुझे वो फिल्म दी थी कयामत. So Kayamat was actually my comeback film, which I came back just after marriage and
That's
did. Yeah,
right. Yeah.
And then things fell into place. I started getting all these crazy characters like
That's
Rana Jang Bahadur and Subhash guys.
Absolutely. Apna Sapna.
And then
Yes.
Aakhri Pasta.
Yes. So, actually, after that break in Bangladesh, when you came back, you realized that you don't have to be the hero.
I couldn't be the hero. I mean, hero I was in Bangladesh. Here I said, let's now take the pressure off me.
Okay.
I got these nice characters.
That's right.
So I was very lucky
Yeah,
and blessed कि मुझे characters मिलने लगे and characters I wanted to do. And I remember एक शादी में गया था मैं, and this 5-year-old kid asked me, uncle, सुना आप hero हो? So I said, you go ask your mother, she'll know who I am. Because
Yeah.
if he's 5 years old, the mother must have seen my films.
Right. Yeah.
So I said, yaar, I have to win over this 5-year-old. कुछ तो करके I have to do roles which will
Yeah.
be exciting to these
Even
young
the
kids.
kids.
So I started kind of looking for roles like that and taking roles like that.
Okay.
The villain work now has started.
Yes,
I've been getting
yes,
good
we've
stuff.
seen
I've
that.
done.
I think it started with Begum Jan.
Begum Jan was the one that started
Yeah.
it. Srijit. Then Saho with Prabhas, his second
Prabhas.
film.
Yeah.
Then I did a
Web
film called
series. Abhay.
Abhay, the one where I played
Yeah.
the killer.
Yeah.
Then I did Prasthanam with Sanjay Dutt just before COVID.
Yeah.
Politics, yeah. And then, of course, Sardar, which I did in Tamil now. And yeah, there've been a couple of nice negative roles, and I'm really enjoying them.
Yeah.
Bhavna keeps saying I'm a real life villain, so शायद screen पे भी दिखा दूंगा.
But you know, you were known for your comedy, for your comic sense, because that was very good. That, and I'm sure you didn't even think Aakhri Pasta is going to be such a big,
When we shot it, no.
isn't
कभी
it?
सोचा नहीं था, but then the film became so successful, and फिर उसके 4
And
parts
Aakhri
बन
Pasta
गए.
became so just caught on.
Yeah, I think the audience kind of loved this character.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
I'm
like
a joking.
I'm a joking. But in Desi James Bond, he's got license to thrill.
Yeah.
कुछ भी बोल सकता है और फिर बोल सकता है I'm joking. So for him, every day is April Fool.
That's right. Yeah.
So
So he
I
can say
think-
anything.
And a lot of kids do it on their parents. People have done it on me also. यार.
Okay.
एक बार मैं फ्लाइट पकड़ने गया, उसने बोला यार फ्लाइट चली गई. I said what? मेरा शो है. I'm
I'm a
joking.
joking. Okay. And now I think it's inconceivable. You can't make a house full without Aakhri Pasta. Isn't
I
it?
don't know, अब Houseful 5 बन रहा है.
Five bun raha hai, yeah. So have they already talked to you about what you're going to do with it?
I know, मुझे बताया ही नहीं है.
Acha.
I think in the end only they'll tell me what.
But kahin na kahin Aakhri Pasta
It'll
has
be
to
there,
come.
of course, there'll be something.
Before that, even Apna Sapna Mani Mani, that Nepali you played.
Then हाँ उसमें मुझे फिल्मफेयर का नॉमिनेशन भी मिला था.
Yeah.
In fact, after Tezab, then I got nominated now,
That's
but I never won it. Rana Zang Bahadur, the Nepali characters.
Was that one of your watchmen that you were trying to?
No. It was जब राइसा पैदा हुई थी, I had this governess who was from Bengal and the border of Nepal.
Nepal. Oh.
तो वो ऐसे स्टाइल में बात करती थी, तो मैंने एक्सेंट वहाँ से ले लिया.
Okay. So you're good at picking up.
No, I'm very bad at picking up. फिर मैं वो कुछ pick up करके उसको इतना खराब कर देता हूँ, it sounds good.
And that becomes it. Yeah.
I hope so. जैसे कि ये जो कैरेक्टर है आखिरी पास्ता is basically from Great Gambler.
Right.
वहाँ सुजीत कुमार का कैरेक्टर था मार्कोनी.
Yes.
जब अमिताभ बच्चन इटली जाता है,
Yeah.
वेनिस जाता है,
Yeah.
तो मार्कोनी was like this.
Yeah.
ऐसे कपड़े पहनता था, मूछे ऊंचे थी. So we kind of inspired, Marconi inspired it, and the name came from आखिरी रास्ता.
Right.
Came आखिरी पास्ता.
It was wacky actually.
Yeah, we're all Amitabh Bachchan fans here, so he inspires us all the time.
Yeah. That's true. So now you've got a very exciting and interesting phase because you're being accepted in almost anything, isn't it?
You know, I'm doing, maybe I think I'm getting work because of my daughter and my wife. I swear. I'm touch wood, I've been getting good amounts of nice work. I won't say good amount, but I've done some very, very, very interesting works that I mentioned the villain works, but
Yes.
I've got some great OTT stuff happening now.
Okay.
So I think in the next 6 months, you will get to see most of it.
Okay, that's really interesting. Actually, OTT has been it has opened up a lot of doors for people, you know.
It has discovered such beautiful
Actors.
and such nice stories. It's the writer's medium. No?
Absolutely.
तो मजा आ रहा है.
Absolutely.
Fantastic,
Yeah.
fantastic. But cinema is cinema. Long live cinema. Like I never enjoy watching a film on OTT.
Okay.
No, films are not meant to be shown on OTT also.
But a lot
OTT is
of Ananya's films come on OTT, like Ho Gaye and
I feel OTT is a medium for seasons. You know, series. Like, because it's a one-on-one watch. You can put it off anytime, come back. Seasons are the ones, I love watching seasons. Films, I like to watch in the theatre.
okay, at one stretch.
So that's the storytelling of a film. No? You have to
Yeah.
watch it with 200 people, laugh, cry. Otherwise, no fun.
Yeah. But it has, you know.
तालियां पढ़नी पड़ती.
लेकिन अभी it's come to have a place in our lives.
I mean, OTT of course will have films,
Yeah.
but can they will have these critically acclaimed films and all, but what the box office does is magic.
That's true.
And
Is
we
there
should never
anything
forget
on
that.
the big screen coming now?
Well, Houseful 5 can't get bigger.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And there's another film that will hit the screens of mine, but I can't talk about it right now. That's almost complete, yeah.
Okay. We have elections around the corner.
Yes.
You are one person who I know that you're very aware. You know what's happening in the world, you know what's happening around you. But we never hear any gyan from you on anything to do with politics.
I don't talk politics.
Yes.
I have no knowledge of politics.
No, you have, but you don't. I mean, everybody else is talking, but you know, maybe for CAA, against CAA, for demonetization against you, but I don't hear anything from you ever.
Ever, yeah. Is it good or bad?
Is it by design that you
By
stay
design.
apolitical?
I stay not only apolitical, I only think and talk politics 1 hour before I vote and 1 hour after I vote. That's it.
That's it. But nobody
Because,
knows.
For me, the most important thing is a vote.
Right.
And I run it through my head and I vote. मैं हर इलेक्शन में वोट करता हूँ.
अच्छा.
MP इलेक्शन में, MLA इलेक्शन में, यहाँ तक कि मैं म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन में भी वोट करता हूँ.
Okay.
इनफैक्ट अनन्या भी इस बार पहली बार वोट करने वाली है. लास्ट टाइम शी कुडंट वोट बिकॉज उसका इलेक्शन कार्ड नहीं तैयार था.
Okay.
And I want to make Raisas also and
Yeah.
make sure that she also votes because I think vote is very important. कि vote देना is more important.
Okay.
And don't tell anyone.
But nobody knows who Chunky Pandey votes for. Achha, and that's how it's going to be? You're
Yeah,
not
I'll
going
never
to get
take-
political?
I never take sides.
Openly.
No, I just don't. I feel, yeah, whoever's there, let him do his job properly. Yeah.
Achha.
It's tough, yeah. It's tough to run a country like
Do you
India.
do campaigns? Do you go on campaigns?
No.
You don't even do
no,
campaigns?
No. In the old days, I did it for entertainment, but not anymore.
Okay. Because now you'll be taken a lot more seriously if you come out.
Am I? But I don't know if I'll. I'm not cut out for it. Yeah.
Okay.
शायद पॉलिटिशियन का रोल अच्छा करूँगा.
वो अलग बात है on screen.
Yeah, but not. I don't know that business, so I would never get it.
And you have no political ambitions at all?
Not at all. Oh my God. The
No?
last.
So we won't see Chunky Pandey doing a Kangana Ranaut.
Or anyone else.
Or anyone else.
Anyone else. No.
Okay. Okay. Oh, really?
If I want to, I would like to be the king of the country, but no one can tell the king anything.
Okay. But this
So I
was
want to be
really-
crowned the king. Otherwise, I don't want to.
Chunky, one slight emotional note. I notice your DP even now has your mom.
Yeah, मेरी शक्ल भी मेरी मम्मी की तरह है.
Totally.
I look
yeah.
like my mom. So yeah.
So you're very emotional about your mom even now.
Yeah, I am her. There is so much of her in me. It's unbelievable. So she'll always be on my DP. She'll always be in my heart, and she'll always be on my face. I look like her.
That's true. That's true. I miss her too.
Yeah.
So there are a whole lot of these small stories about you. I want to know which of them is true and which of them is not.
सब 100% ट्रू और सब 100% फॉल्स भी है. अच्छा आप अभी मुझे
पहले
पता
कुछ हाँ.
चलो अक्षय कुमार से
Tell
शुरू
me
करते
about
हैं.
Akshay Kumar
मेरा
because you
houseful का यार.
yeah you guys seem to get along like a house on fire.
तो आपको पता है I've known him the longest I've known anyone in the film industry.
Okay.
अक्षय कुमार को मैं 1986 से जानता हूँ. जब हम मधुमती क्लास में थे, मैं पास आउट कर रहा था and he was very young. वो स्कूल से निकला था और ट्रेनिंग करने आया था उधर.
अच्छा.
तो जैसे होते हैं ना सीनियर्स जूनियर्स को सिखाते हैं, टीचर तो बाद में सिखाता है. तो उसकी जो भी हमने वहाँ करवाई डांसिंग वांसिंग वाज ऑल वी यूज्ड टू ओनली ट्रेन द स्टूडेंट्स टू ट्रेन हिम.
Okay.
तो उसने एक बार इंटरव्यू में मजाक में कहा कि यार जो भी मैंने सीखा इनिशियली चंकी पांडे के थ्रू सीखा और वो इतना गलत था कि मेरी फिल्में ही नहीं चली. और फिर मैंने डिसाइड किया मैं चेंज करूं और जो चंकी पांडे ने मुझे सिखाया मैंने उसको सब अनलर्न करके फिर से सीखा कुछ और मैं अक्षय कुमार बन गया. and I love that because of course he came in his first few films but you know एक चीज बताऊं, when I saw Akshay Kumar for the first time I knew he's a star even as a kid.
Oh.
कभी-कभी पता चलता है.
What is it about him that you feel?
You get that vibe. I've seen that in
Okay.
a lot of people. I mean, I've been 99% of the times right.
Right, okay.
But I've seen so many first timers and you just kind of
What do
know.
you feel about Ahan, your nephew?
And I'll be biased. He's my nephew.
But
He's
even
he's a born star.
monster. Okay. Very good looking.
Superstar.
one.
Yeah. He's got that
Yeah.
confidence, the aura. Yeah.
Yeah. And a niceness.
And a niceness. Yeah. He's a very good kid.
Yeah.
So that was the great.
Also with Akshay Kumar, so that has continued. You guys have
फिर हमने काम बहुत टाइम के लिए नहीं किया and then finally we ended up doing Houseful and what a blast we had doing it. नहीं हमने Houseful के पहले ये की थी हमने दे दनादन. अरे बाप रे जहाँ में नोनी चड्डा बना था प्रियदर्शन की फिल्म.
अच्छा.
And it was very funny film. Very funny character. Paresh Rawal was my daddy in the film. सिंगापुर में शूट की थी मैं, you know the whole water tank breaks in the hotel. So but we get along with a house like a house on fire. Yeah, he's too good and अब तो अनन्या भी उसके साथ फिल्म कर रही है.
अच्छा.
So I'm so excited for her that she's getting a chance to work with him. And
that's right.
It's a very interesting film.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, that was Mr. Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, Akshay and you.
But he's like, I'll tell you, on the sets, it's such a pleasure to have him. Because इतना improvise करता है. And he improvises for everyone, which is good.
Okay.
It's not only for himself. So he really likes to create and make scenes, which is a lot of fun. And it's great to see an actor doing that. And you know, you feel like even giving more. So that's why if you see all these housefuls and all, why that so much tamasha, Akshay is a very big contributor to that.
Okay.
So is Ritesh, so is Sajid Khan, of course, the director. And then Sajid Nadiadwala, who's the producer, he also jumps into the fray because he's also got a wacky sense of humor. So it's all, you know, that energy
Do
comes
you
up.
also contribute?
I don't need to. I've got so much talent contributing. बोल मैं क्या बोलूँ?
Okay. Salman Khan also, you have a great equation with him, isn't it?
Yes, oh my God. I mean, he's अपना गली का बच्चा है.
Yeah, of course.
He's down the road.
Yeah.
Galaxy Apartments. I've known him since, I think, forever.
And then Seema was once married to Sohail, so
but that is
also,
much later. But of course, again, like Shah Rukh, I've seen this guy grow from you know, I remember he had done a film with Rekha.
Yes.
Yeah, and
yes,
then
he had done a
suddenly
film.
came Maine Pyar Kiya and he just became the sensation of the nation, of the world, and just grew from strength to strength. And he's had so many of these phases in his life. But I guess every actor goes through it. And so yeah, there's this story which Akshay Kumar tells everyone only, and Salman also sometimes tells everyone about the. जब हम लोग साउथ अफ्रीका गए थे शो के लिए और मैं उसको कहीं बोला कि शॉपिंग के लिए निकलते हैं और मैं तुझे फ्री जीन्स दिला दूंगा. सो वी वेंट शॉपिंग टू अ मॉल एंड मैंने उसको फ्री जीन्स जूते निकाले दे दिए. बाद में उसे पता चला कि मैंने दुकानदार से $50,000 भी लिए थे सलमान खान को बुलाने.
To bring Salman to the store.
Of course they would. I mean, Salman is worth much more. But I mean, like, and I ate all the $50,000. So now I'll tell you that there is truth to that. That the shopkeeper did pay $50,000.
Okay.
But he paid $50,000 for sponsorship of the show.
Okay.
He was a sponsor, and the deal was that you have to get Salman Khan to visit also.
Okay.
So yeah, that is
that was the background.
So what Salman is saying is the truth.
But not also, quite in the same way. Yeah,
it's also back story, of course.
And is it true that Salman was signed for Kuch Kuch Hota Hai from in your house? That Karan saw him there?
So I believe मैंने करण जौहर की इंटरव्यू में सुना था कि they met at my place somewhere and signed. So a lot of things have happened. A lot of couples have met in my.
Which are?
Yeah, like Seema and Sohail met at my Mangani. Gulshan Grover met his ex-wife at my place. Bobby met Tanya here.
Oh.
So yeah, Sajid Khan signed Bobby Deol for Houseful 4 and that night they had come for my birthday or something and they spoke about it.
Oh.
So they have been like, my house has been a
meeting place
for a lot of people and a lot of things that have happened. Yeah.
And your first co-star Neelam, is it true that she fell off the bike and when you were shooting your first film with her?
So मेरी पहली फिल्म के लिए I had to tell a couple of lies because पहलाज नीलानी ने मुझे पूछा घोड़ा चलाने आता है. I said, सर मैं तो पिछले साल का डार्बी जीत चुका हूँ. मैंने घोड़ा देखा नहीं था उसके पहले. सर बाइक चलाने आता है. अरे सर मैं इविल कनेविल हूँ, मैं बाइक उड़ाता हूँ. और वही हुआ. फिर जब शूटिंग हुई I couldn't ride the bike well, so I took up full speed, tried to do a wheelie and it fell and she got hurt because frock में थी.
Oh.
I got saved because jeans पहने हुए थे and the silencer burnt her leg.
Oh.
So yeah, it was quite.
Okay. So it was a fiery experience.
Yeah, fiery. Aagi Aag.
And Aagi Aag, I believe Pehlaj Nilani saw you in a washroom and that's how you became an actor.
Holiday Inn के bathroom में मैंने चूड़ीदार कुर्ता पहना था. I wanted to be like Amitabh Bachchan. You know, those days अमित जी वो politics join किए थे, उन्होंने चूड़ीदार कुर्ता पहनते थे. और मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये मैं नाड़ा बांध सकता हूँ, खोल नहीं सकता हूँ. बहुत जोर से नंबर 1 आया था और मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ बाथरूम में, कोई मेरा नाड़ा खोलो, कोई हेल्प ही नहीं करने के लिए तैयार है. सडनली पहला जी, अरे बाबा मैं हेल्प करता है.
He didn't know who you were. He didn't know
No,
you
he
were.
had no idea. I didn't know who he was.
Okay.
तब सोशल मीडिया नहीं था ना.
हाँ.
And he's a producer. प्रोड्यूसरों की फोटो कहाँ छपते थे? तो then I asked him. I said बहुत पीली भी थी. मैंने कुछ बियर्स ज़्यादा पीली थी. He had also had a few. So I said, सर आप करते क्या? इसे मैंने अभी पिक्चर बनाई गोविंदा के साथ. सब बाप रे. तू क्या करता है? ऐसे मैं मॉडल हूँ. मेरे को एक्टर बनना है. एक काम कर, तू कल सुबह मेरे ऑफिस आ जा.
Really?
That's how it happened.
That's how.
और उसके पहले मैं 3 साल के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रहा था. मुझे कोई फिल्म नहीं मिली. इनफैक्ट मैं शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ था हाइबा फिल्म्स में, नारी हीरा के जो आदित्य पंचोली को रोल गया.
Right.
फिर मैं मुझे अभिमन्यु के रोल के लिए शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ था मैं. और फिर
महाभारत.
हाँ, महाभारत में इन बी आर चोपड़ा ऑफिस, रवि चोपड़ा के साथ. इनफैक्ट फिर वो नहीं कर पाया. देन आई फाइनली डिड एन एड फिल्म विद हिम. तो देयर वर लॉट ऑफ, आई वाज ट्राइंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम.
Okay.
देन आई वाज, स्क्रीन टेस्ट तो बहुत दिए मैंने. बी सुभाष के लिए स्क्रीन टेस्ट दिए, राजश्री ऑफिस में बहुत. तो आफ्टर 3 years आई गॉट माय फिल्म यार.
Right.
फ्रॉम द टाइम.
And that also by fluke.
ऐसे बाथरूम में.
Thanks to your NADA.
थैंक्स टू माय नाडा. अगर नहीं जाता बाथरूम तो शायद आज आप किसी और का इंटरव्यू ले लेते. No, but it's all, that's the beauty of the film industry and what happens.
Yes.
We are here just to tell beautiful stories, and
But
that's
that's
how
the
it
beauty
should.
of life.
Yes.
Actually. Yeah.
That's how we became from animals to humans, na? Because we could tell stories. No other animal can tell a story. So yeah.
Bhavna was never supposed to be an actor, and she.
नहीं, भावना बहुत झूठ बोलती है. भावना जब आई थी ना बॉम्बे, she was first an air hostess.
Yes.
फिर उसने
Lufthansa.
शादी के बाद she left her job,
Yeah.
which is very sad because सब free tickets भी चले गए. But she decided कि वो फिर modeling करेगी. So she did a fashion show when Ananya was 3 months in her stomach.
Oh.
Can you believe it?
Wow.
Yeah, for Abu Jani Sandeep
Okay.
Khosla. And ये बात मुझे अभी पता चली because Lubna Adams reminded me of this. Then she started modeling. This is all after marriage and having Ananya. Then she started hosting. उसने she did a very famous countdown show on B4U channel.
That's right. You know, she even did a bit of hosting for Lere.
Yes. So of course she always had the Keeda in her.
That's right.
And then finally this whole Bollywood
vibes, yeah.
And we never imagined it'll become so
Such a big
successful.
hit. It's 3rd season, yeah.
But I swear to God, when you talk about recognition, that's why I say, I'm known as Bhavna Pandey's husband. मैं Virgin Atlantic की flight पकड़ रहा था from London to Los Angeles.
Okay.
Plane पे गया तो this beautiful blonde air hostess looks at me and says, Bollywood? I said, yeah, man. She knows I'm Chunky Pandey. She said, Bollywood wives? I said, yeah. She said, where's your wife? I was shocked. They made me, and then she called the other crew. She said, this guy's from Bollywood Wives. And these Goras watching it, they binge watched it. They made me make a phone call to Bhavna on video call and speak to her. So I said, wow, what is the reach of these shows here?
These shows, yeah.
And so I was very proud. So as I'm proud of Ananya, I'm even proud of Bhavna.
Oh, Bhavna.
And मैं सोच रहा हूँ अपना rate बढ़ा दूँ थोड़ा.
Lovely. Chunky, you know, 1987 is when you started your career, and 1987 is when Lere started.
Happy birthday, same day.
Happy birthday, same year.
Same year, same
Yeah, same year. And at that time, we had done a photo shoot with you. Where you wore this really the yellow short
tight shorts,
yeah,
बुल वॉकर के साथ.
Absolutely, yeah.
नहीं हुआ क्या था मैं बताता हूँ. और वो आज भी मेरे हर बर्थडे पे, दिवाली पे, होली पे, ईद पे लोग मुझे वही भेजते
वो क्लिप.
It's become like a meme only almost. तो मैं कोई आपकी मैगजीन का शूट कर रहा था मैं, because you were editor of some magazine.
Star and Style, movie, Showtime.
तो आपका कवर कर रहा था मैं, और थोड़ा बॉडी दिखाने के चक्कर में था, बिकॉज तब ये था कि बॉडी बनाओ तो फिर एक्शन स्टार बन जाते हो. तो आई रिमेम्बर मैंने ये येलो टाइट स्विमिंग ट्रंक्स पहने थे और ऑयल लगाया था बॉडी पर, बुल वॉकर लेके अपने मसल्स दिखा रहा था. और तब मैंने इमेजिन नहीं किया था कि अगर ये वीडियो पे कैप्चर होगा तो ये कैसे लगेगा. इट लुक वेरी फनी. और वही हुआ. इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी हिलेरियस.
दैट्स राइट.
एंड बट दैट वाज लहरे. तब हमारा इंस्टाग्राम था.
दैट्स
आई मीन लोगों को पता नहीं होता था कि फिल्म एक्टर्स करते क्या है.
करेक्ट.
तो अब भी मैं कभी-कभी जब YouTube पे या लहरे देखता हूँ या लोग मुझे क्लिप्स भेजते हैं कि मेरी पुरानी फिल्म की शूटिंग चल रही है, डांस सीक्वेंस चल रहा है, तो इतने नॉस्टैल्जिक हो जाता हूँ. बट इन दोज डेज इट वाज ग्रेट बिकॉज people didn't know what was happening.
That's right.
On a film set and everything.
Yes.
I mean, people living in the north or south, they didn't know Bollywood what was happening.
That's right.
So it was very nice, and I enjoyed Lere, and I think we've had
And
a
you're
great
right.
journey together.
Lere was the Instagram of the 80s and
Absolutely,
90s.
yeah. What magazines to bhi, they came 15
Static.
days,
Yeah.
but these guys were coming every week, I think.
Yeah.
And so actors even got more popular with Lere.
With Lere, yeah, that's
Well done, Lere.